Pagpalang araw sa ating lahat mga kapatid. Ako muli si Adrian Bernales ng Batch 3 at ang aking daily devotion. At ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin ay kung ano ang response mo kay Jesus o Jesus the Coming King. At ang ating Bible verse ay mula sa 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 12 to 13. Masasabi dito ang promises ni God kay David. When your days are over and you rest with your ancestors, I'll raise up your offspring to succeed you, and I will establish the throne of His kingdom forever. Mga kapatid, ang pangako ay hindi na para kay David na oras lamang. Hindi na siya tungkol sa isang hari. Noon, this was pointing forward to Jesus, the promised king. Ang hari na hindi lang maghahari for a season but forever. And when Jesus was born in Bethlehem, hindi lang yon cute Christmas story. That moment marked the arrival of the coming king, ang hari na matagal ng pinangako ng Diyos. Pero ang tanong ngayon is not just who is Jesus, ang tanong dito ay anong response mo sa kanya bilang hari. Bilang kapag hari ang dumating, automatic may response tayo. Ibig sabihin ito ay kung tatanggapin ba natin to o hindi natin tatanggapin ang kanyang pamumuno. The king came to fix your life. Para sa ating teaching, the king came to fix your life ay minsan feeling natin na tayo ang hari ng sarili natin buhay. Ikaw ang bahala sa akin, Lord. Kaya ko to. I know what's best for me. Pero look at reality, ang daming broken decisions, broken habit, broken priorities, broken hearts. Jesus didn't come para lang bigyan ka ng advice. He came to the throne of your life. Hindi siya tulad ng mga hari sa mundo na namumuna gamit ang takot or force. Jesus reigns with grace and truth. Maraming kapag pinapasok bilang hari, hindi niya inayos ang mga areas ng buhay mo na matagal nang tinatago. Ang addiction, ang pride, ang galit at yung fear sa direction ng buhay. But he won't force himself. Hari siya, pero he waits for your response. Kaya mga kapatid, you can call him king, pero kung ikaw pa rin ang nasusunod, then he's just a title, not your ruler. The king came to fix your family. When God promised David an eternal kingdom that started with a family line, that shows na mahalaga kay God ang pamilya. Marami pamilya ngayon ang may silent battles, miscommunication, emotional distance, unhealed wounds from the past, parents and children na parang strangers na. Jesus came not just to save individuals but to restore relationships. Hindi ibig sabihin na once you follow Jesus ay perfect na agad ng pamilya mo. Pero when Jesus is king in a home, may pagbabago sa atmosphere. May humility, may forgiveness, may willingness, makinig, may grace kahit may pagkukulang. Sometimes the response God is asking from you is not to fix your family by yourself but to invite the king into it. Start with your attitude, start with your words, start with how you respond during the conflict. Kasi kapag si Jesus ang hari ng pamilya, love becomes intentional, not just conditional. Kaya mga kapatid, yun nagtatapos ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa aking panonood ng aking daily devotion ngayong araw.